Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your profile with someone on your PlayStation 5. So if you want people to add you as a friend or something like that, there's a few different options we have on here. We can go to our profile in the top right and go to profile. And then there is this small option right here where it says share profile. And if you press this, it's going to open up this QR code, which you can scan with a phone now, and it will allow you to add this person as a friend very easily and quickly. So yeah, you got that as an option. Otherwise, you can just look at the name. So you got the real name on the top, and then you got the PlayStation Online ID on the bottom. So the ID on the bottom is the one you just want to copy down and then go to search. So mine is YT-Your Six Studios. So we want to go to the game base now, right here. If we have a friend that we want to add, go to search for players, and then just type that name in under here. So we got YT and then dash. And sometimes people come up with really crazy kind of goofy names, and that's why the QR code exists. And we can just type this all in here, and then the name should pop up, but since it's my profile, I don't think it's going to pop up at all. And then looks like someone has your Sinister or something down there, your Six Studios. So just look at this as an option, and then you can add them as a friend real quick. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.